and welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are having an amazing day today. You know, when it comes to shoes, sneakers are my favorite. Like, I wear them very regularly and thus they get dirty very easily as well. And you know that moment when you wear your favorite pair of sneakers and step out of the house and this happens? Relatable, right? Something similar happened to me yesterday when I wore my favorite pair of sneakers and it started pouring outside. And my shoes obviously got really dirty and muddy. Let me just show you the condition of my shoes. So guys, this is the condition of my shoes. As you can see, they are like very dirty and muddy. And while I was thinking to clean it today, I thought I should shoot a video and show you guys as well the entire cleaning process. So many of you have been asking me on the shoe cleaning, how to do it and what products to use and so on. So today we are going to show you the entire process. So quickly starting with it, step 1 is to remove the excess dirt out of the shoe. So take a brush, any clean shoe brush, and just start removing the excess dirt. Keep a clean newspaper below and just start slowly brushing it. So now we are done with the step 1, that is removing the excess dirt out of the shoe. Step 2 is to wipe them off. So I'm using this Helios leather sneaker wipes. I've been using it for a while, guys, and this is amazing. It's a must have product. This is my go-to thing. It's always in my bag. Whenever I drop something on the shoe or it gets slightly dirty, I take off a wipe and clean it instantly. So we're going to do it right now. Just take out a wipe. Amazing, and I love them, especially the leather area is like very clean, like the sole area, the leather part. So only the fabric and the suede area. Also, if you want, you can take off the laces and wash them separately, so that it's completely cleaned. So guys, now we are done with step 1, that is cleaning the excess dirt out of the shoe, and step 2, that is wiping the shoe. Now comes the actual cleaning process, for which you need a bowl of lukewarm water, a brush and a cleaning lotion. So today I am going to use this Helios sneaker cleaner lotion. They have recently launched this and I have not used this yet. So I thought I will use it today and see whether it works or not. So let's get started. So what you need to do is dunk your brush into the warm water and then pour some lotion onto it. Dunk your brush again and then start cleaning the shoe. Make sure enough lather is formed. If not, then put some more lotion and dunk into the water. And make sure when you're cleaning the shoe, rotate your brush in circular motion. And keep dunking the brush into the water in between. So guys, the shoe has now been cleaned completely. It is a bit wet. So you have to leave it for about few hours so that it dries out. And after it dries out, the last and the final step is to spray inside the shoe using Helios Foot Fresh. This will basically control the foot odor and leave your feet super fresh. So guys, we are finally done with the entire sneaker cleaning process, and I must say I'm very happy with the results. I didn't expect it to clean even 10% of it. I thought it will just clean a little bit of it, but this product has done an amazing job and cleaned the shoe to quite a good extent. So I would definitely recommend this product to you, mainly because it's very easy to use. All you need is a bowl of lukewarm water, and secondly, it saves a lot of time. It hardly took us about 4 to 5 minutes to clean the entire shoe, and lastly, it's worth the price. This entire kit with the lotion and the brush comes for rupees 799, and this bottle has about 125 ml of lotion, and each pair will need about 10 ml of lotion. So that means with this bottle you can clean about 10 to 12 pair of shoes. I think that's quite a lot, and this is like a steal deal. So you should definitely grab this. It is available at heliosindia.com. We will be leaving the link below, so you can go to the website, check their products. They have an amazing range of shoe care products. And guys, if you have any questions related to shoe care, you can drop them in the comment section below, or leave a message on our Instagram handle, that is shoevolution_India. Hope you guys like the video. If you do, comment, subscribe and like. Take care of yourself and your shoes. See you soon.